Toronto, Canada.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Welcome to Sileti World. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to host a virtual party, a virtual entertainment show using free Zoom. You have heard right. It's free. You don't have to spend any money for that. In this video, you will get an easy tutorial and some tips and technique to host a virtual party. Dear viewers, couple of months ago, I hosted a Islamic cultural show which was very successful. All of my friends and relatives were impressed and amazed to have such a party. Now you can do it and I will help you. It's easy and lots of fun. Dear viewers, here I am giving you a tutorial on how to use Zoom. Please keep in mind, tutorial for computer and mobile phone are the same. So get ready for the demonstration.
Dear viewers, please subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified whenever we post new informative videos. Also, please give us a thumbs up and leave a constructive comment which will motivate us to make more videos.
Dear viewers, go to Zoom US and sign up for a Zoom account. If you already have an account, click sign in and log in using the email and password that you have created. Click meeting, then click schedule a new meeting. Select the duration of the meeting. You can have up to 100 people and 40 minutes for free. If you would like more time, you can always repeat this step and schedule another meeting after the time limit for the first one is up. For the meeting ID, click personal meeting ID. A random password will be generated, but you can edit it to make it simple. I changed mine to 2020. Using the personal meeting ID will make it easier for your participant to join because the ID and password will always be the same for all of your meetings. Here you can also enable a waiting room if you would like to admit each person to the meeting separately. Now you can choose whether you want the video of the host and participant to be on or off. And here we have meeting options. You can enable join before host, mute participants upon entry and record the meeting automatically on the computer so you have a video of it and watch it later and share with your family and friends. Press save. Now you can see a summary of your meeting information. To invite people to the meeting, press copy invitation and press copy meeting invitation. You can paste and send the invitation to whoever you would like. I pasted it directly to my Facebook and asked my friends to go on my page for the meeting details. Now go to my meetings and you will be able to see your scheduled meeting.
Mubarak সবাই নিউ ইয়র্ক জ্যাকসনের থেকে।
Eid Mubarak. Assalamualaikum.
Mubarak. আমি তাসিন মিশিগান আছি।
Welcome khala, Dunya khala.
ওয়ালাইকুম।
Eid Mubarak.
সবাইকে ঈদ মুবারক।
মুবারক।
Dear viewers, here are the tips and technique for hosting a party as I promised. Number 1, make a guest list. Number 2, encourage people to get familiar with Zoom. Tell them to download the app on their own prior to the meeting and make sure everything works. If they are using computer, tell them to get familiar with the Zoom website. Number 3, send invitations. I send all Zoom invitation via Facebook and text. Number 4, decorate. Yes, it's a party, so you may ask all of your guests to decorate the area which is covered by the camera. Number 5, make an agenda for your party and send it to every one of your guests so that they can have an idea of what they are going to have in the party. In my show, I had some performers among the invited guests. The content of my show include Quran recitation, dua, Islamic songs, Eid greeting exchange by all families, and lucky draw. Number 6. Before the show, I went on YouTube and downloaded Islamic songs and saved them to a folder. When it was time to play them, I shared my screen and computer audio so the audience could watch and hear the songs. I muted all the participants so that their voice do not overlap the songs and everyone can hear it clearly. Finally, when the songs were done, I unmuted everyone and we did a lucky draw. Dear viewers, this is all for today.
If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up and let your friends and family know about this video. We'd like to help them too.
See you in our next video.